Color could be the most important thing that you add to a design that can easily make or break it. So let's learn how to pick the color like a pro. Let's start off by understanding color theory. So we have red, yellow, and blue. These are our primary colors, which means no other colors can be mixed to create these three colors. Yet, with these three colors, you can make all the other colors. We also have secondary colors, which are created by mixing the primary colors. Tertiary colors are also created by mixing the secondary colors. Same thing with the secondary, tertiary colors. Now, why should you care? Why does it matter? Well, when it comes to actually picking and pairing colors, we need to do it with purpose, not just to decorate a page. So right here on color.adobe.com, you can see I can change this around. We have pretty much the same intensity of color, as you can see, the same saturation, how they're all linked, so these colors might go well together. I encourage you to jump over here because also we have complementary colors. Click right there. Sure enough, that's the opposite of the current color. So we can see we have like Christmas time. I think of like LA Lakers, right? You get the idea. Denver Broncos are in here as well. That's kind of what I think of. But these colors will go well together. So we want to pick colors with a purpose and make sure they have that harmony. If you do a split complementary, this helps out a lot as well. But let's go ahead and apply this to a project I'm working on. Maybe I'll start with the primary color. And then if I added an additional color right over here, we can take a look. And let's just kind of scroll down. Let's go to these more colors right in here. We could stay within this hue if I want to, right? I'm just kind of changing it, right? That works well. Or I can go to a different hue altogether. So I can go with another primary color if I want to. And again, this works well together. We could also do that for the background, by the way. Let's jump out here. Let's go to, say, for instance, green. You know, pretty basic. But you notice as you start to work with colors, as you add them together, you might get a lot of vibration because there's such a thing as color intensity. So it might depend how much, say, purple you add versus yellow, which is its complementary color. So be aware of that. Luckily, I love this, that I can kind of jump in and just try out different colors right in here. So with those kind of set, I can jump around, say, hey, does this look good? Does this look good? Does this work? A lot of these, again, these are monochromatic right here. That makes sense. We have others that might be complementary. So you have green and then a red, but it's not a pure red, right? And then from there, I can always tweak it, right? So that's what I want to do. Jump in here. Let's just have some fun. I'll pick maybe this lovely, again, this isn't actually a true red. It's more of a peachy red because this isn't a true yellow either. So they work well together. Let's go ahead and throw a highlight in there. Same thing here. I might pick, again, it has the same intensity. Might go with sort of that look right there. So again, that's the beginning of my design, and that's the beginning of your color journey. So remember, don't pick colors just to decorate a page. Pick it with purpose and make sure you have that color harmony. Thanks for watching.